Few Minutes with Faded Black episode 16 starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I messed up. You know, you guys have seen my video about my peel board. I'll put a link to that right here. Well, yesterday I went out on a job. I had my glass peel board, which I love, and I busted it into a million pieces. Now, the glass was tempered glass, and the guy told me at the place I could put stuff on top of it and it would not break. I'd be fine, you know? If you hit the edge or hit a corner, it's gonna break. So I've had this glass for a long time, about a year or so, longer than I can even think. I've taken this glass with me all over the place, all over Wisconsin, but yesterday was the day. So what happened, I was moving the glass out of the back of the truck, and I have a jack in the back of the truck. I must have just accidentally moved it and tried to re-grip it and hit the jack, and that glass just popped and shattered into a million pieces right out of my hands. It totally surprised me. It was half all into the customer's driveway. It was totally messed up. So I'm gonna get a new peel board, but first I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the back of my truck. All right, guys, you can see in the back of my truck, it is this glass everywhere. I usually keep the peel board shoved behind the driver's seat and laying up here, and I put both the seats back on it, and it does keep it in there really good. I had one guy come to me and said that he didn't think that I'm supposed to do that. He's like, you're not supposed to have glass in the cab, which I can kind of understand, because you can see this now. It is just all messed up. I got glass all over the place. I got glass shards in the front. I got glass on the other side. So right now I need to clean all this up. It is totally messed up. There's glass all on the floor when I was at the customer's location. So yeah, it was a mess. I gotta clean all this glass up. I knew at some point in time glass would break or had the possibility to break, and this is my second one, so I broke second one. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do right now to change this in the future. So I did have some edging I could have used on the glass. I think I'm gonna use it this time. I also have some safety film in my shop. I'm gonna put safety film on the back. Hopefully it'll protect it better. Usually I always have my glass set up right over here, and I can put it in my truck and I can go where I need to go. Before I broke one, I already have a new one on order. This one, like I said before, I'm gonna try to do my best to protect this glass. I realized what happened, what made the glass break. Pulled it out and it hit that jack on there. It busted, it messed it up. So this is one of the things I guess you have to deal with if you're using a glass peel board. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. Sometimes it's not all pretty. This is a possibility of happening if you have the glass, or you could drop it, it could slip out of your hands. But I know glass compared to other type of materials is probably gonna be the most sturdiest. And I have so many scratches on that glass from using my razor that plexi or something might not just work. So I gotta clean this mess up today. That's what I'm gonna get ready to do. I'm gonna get another peel board. When I get my new piece of glass, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna protect it from the future. I know it's one of those things, man, I just have to deal with it, but I really, really need it for my peel board. I use it all the time. So I gotta get it. I'm so used to doing everything on the peel board that I don't like really doing anything on a customer's car. So I've done about 4 or 5 front matches in the last day or so, and it's just different for me trying to be really gentle on the customer's car, not to scratch anything. I don't like to do that. I like to have everything on my peel board. So to me, it's worth it to set a peel board up just to make you more efficient. So like I said before, man, just keeping it real with you guys, showing what can happen out there in the field. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you not miss any notifications, and I will be back when I got another video. Until then, stay faded, guys. Peace.